In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow permanently in n8n. This process is straightforward and something you can easily follow along with. It's crucial because it allows you to remove outdated, unwanted, or unnecessary workflows from your system, ensuring a cleaner, more organized workspace. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your n8n account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Personal section in your dashboard. This is where you can access your personal settings and manage your workflows effectively. Navigating efficiently in n8n is key to streamlining your process and avoiding confusion as you manage various elements within the platform. Next, you'll want to go to the Workflows area. When you click on this, you'll see a list of all the workflows that you've created or have access to. This area is your central hub for handling any workflows, whether you're editing, archiving, or, in this case, preparing to delete them permanently from your system. After you've clicked Workflows, the next step is to focus on the filter icon located on the right side of the screen. This icon is essential as it allows you to sort and find specific workflows quickly. By efficiently filtering your workflows, you can easily locate the ones you want to manage, saving time and streamlining your workflow management process. Once you've clicked on the filter icon, you will need to select Show Archived Workflows. By doing this, any workflows that have been archived will appear. Archiving is a useful feature in n8n for keeping your main list tidy without losing data you might need later. However, to delete a workflow permanently, you must first access these archived items. Now, move your focus to the workflow you wish to delete permanently. You'll see 3 dots next to it, usually indicating a drop-down menu for further options. Click on these 3 dots to open up the Options menu. Here, you'll find various actions you can perform on the selected workflow. Finally, select Delete from the drop-down menu. Doing this will prompt a confirmation dialog, asking if you're sure you want to proceed with deleting the workflow permanently. It's important to double-check at this stage that you have selected the correct workflow, as this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the workflow will be permanently deleted, clearing up space and reducing clutter in your workspace. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to permanently delete a workflow in n8n. By following these instructions, you can maintain an organized environment in n8n and focus on the workflows that matter most to you. Remember to always review what you're deleting to avoid any accidental loss of important data. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.